In this video, you'll see how I made this Princess Tiana doll cake with white chocolate and buttercream gown. This cake began with my strawberry cake recipe, which you can find in the link below the video and also at the end of the video. It's baked in a doll cake pan, then sliced and filled with my strawberry buttercream. There's also an 8-inch layer underneath the doll cake to raise it up and make it a little higher. Using a large petal tip, number 127, pipe ruffles along the base and also add ruffles in a triangular shape in the front. You'll need a couple of batches of candy clay, also known as chocolate modeling paste. The link is below and at the end of the video for you to that recipe. One batch is lime green, which I made using blue and yellow, and the other is white. Start with the white, rolling it out thinly and cutting 3 leaf shapes. These will be part of the bodice. Brush a small amount of water onto the doll and then stick on the leaves. And then I added a couple more leaf shapes for more coverage on the sides. Cover the doll in plastic wrap before putting her into the cake. And actually, I didn't show this part, but I cut a hole into the layers before I put the cake together. Now with some extra cake, I built up the dress a little because my cake wasn't quite tall enough, and then I just added some buttercream over that. And now for the fun part. I'm just going to let this roll here, so if you have any questions about anything you see here, please just leave me a comment below the video. Wedding Cakes for You website, books, and video provide aspiring bakers with the steps and recipes for building skills and confidence to create beautiful cakes and cherished memories. See you next week.